Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How everyone is doing today? I hope everyone is okay and doing fine. We're going through a pandemic right now, so just try to keep yourself safe. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of my my small plant, and how when you take care of them from young, you show them that care, and you show them that, listen me, I'm gonna be there for you. They become comfortable with you. You got to understand, plant is a living thing, and you have to understand, know how to communicate with your plant, and they will always harvest for you. They will always produce for you. Okay, so I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Usually I use my finger, usually I use a piece of stick, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I soften around the root and how I take care of the plant. I already showed you guys how I wet them, so now I'm gonna show you how I take care of the small ones. Because even the small like this, that does not mean they don't need care. You still have to care from them from young, just like a baby. So like how you got to take care of the baby from the time it born. Same thing with the plant. So I'm gonna just show you how I do it. Like I go through the plant right through. You don't want to damage the root. You don't want to damage the root at all. So you got to know how to sift yourself and wake up the dot around the root. Because sometimes you could have these slips and they ain't growing for nothing. And you want to know why they're not growing. They're not growing because you're not taking care of them. Wetting them is not all of it. You have to also soften the dirt for them. So you want great harvest, you have to take care of your plant from young. Show them you care. Let them become comfortable with you and know that you're going to take care of them. And once they get that comfort, they're going to produce a lot for you. I'm telling you, try this and tell me the result. Try caring for your slip like these, and you're going to see the result. Because look how small these are. Some people wait until they get big, like stuff like these. I don't do that. I already plant a batch of tomato, of cocoa, I already said cucumber seed. I already plant tomato, but already plant a batch of sweet pepper. This is another batch. So now I'm preparing these now. I'm preparing these little ones. I'm making them get used to the root getting softened and all them things. So when they get into the earth now, whatever you're doing, they already have that already. So now they're only gonna be getting used to it and loving it, and know that you care for them. And once you care for them, they will produce for you. I mean, look at my plants them, guys. My plants them shows you that they get in care. And I'm telling you, plants show you whether they get in care or not. They will show you, I'm telling you. You're gonna see. But when you look at these, you see, wow, these are beautiful. These are well taken care of. So I can always harvest from them. I already eating celery already. I already eating parsley already. I'm already using thyme already. This is a sage right here. I'm already using them, and we now hitting spring. So I have a long harvest with these things. They already get used to me, and they already understand I got to produce for him. So that's what they're doing. So you have to let your plant know, listen me, I'm going to take care of you, but you have to produce for me. And once they understand that, listen me, this thing will bear for you non-stop. Try it if you don't believe me. This is some eggplant seed. I now set them, they bust up so lovely, man. Look how beautiful they're looking. This so beautiful. And I set them a few days ago. They bust so fast. It's unbelievable. And look how beautiful they're coming. So this shows you this kind of garden I'm going to have. I'm going to have a real big garden. And like I said, I pay $2 and change for the pepper seed. No, this pepper, I think I bought it from a supermarket, yeah. And just set the seed, take the seed out and set the seed. Because I wanted that breed of pepper. So I buy it from the supermarket and I bring it and set the seed here. Look how beautiful. This is a pack of seed I buy for $2 and change. Look how much eggplant plant I can get from this for $2 and change. Over 20 plants. These are some parsley. Look how they're coming up nice. I buy this pack for $1 and change. Look how much parsley I can plant. You know, so that's all I'm trying to show you guys. That's all I'm trying to tell you guys. The benefit of setting your own seed. But I understand that everybody can set their own seed because of the space and the time. I understand. You see, this is more tomato. You see, this is potato. You see, I cut it and it's still shooting out. You see? So this is proof that they still grow. All these is Edo plant. I just have them out here because I want to start to pushing out the eyes like this because I'm getting ready to plant them and I want to push out as much eyes as possible because I want to plant a lot. See, I have this bucket. I have a lot of Edos down in there. So I want to at least get 3 pieces out of one. Because last year I buy a couple Edos from the Korean store and they start shooting before I ready to cook them. And I say, you know what, I'm gonna cut them up. I'm gonna cut them up and I'm gonna plant them. And I'm telling you, I get a bucket like this full of 5-gallon bucket. If you check my video, I get a bucket like this full with Edos from 3 Edos because I cut them up in pieces and I have a lot of Edo holes. See, like this, I cut this. So this is gonna be a hole by itself. And the other piece, which is this, gonna be another hole by itself. So that's basically what I'm doing, guys. I'm multiplying, I'm making the garden bigger. I'm doing it this way so I can plant more food instead of just, why plant 10 when you could plant 40? I'm trying to get as much food as possible as I can. I can even give to the neighbors. So, I mean, it's a good thing. Yes, guys, so this is just a demonstration of how to take care of your small plant and how it's important for you to set your own seed and how important it is to plant your stuff very early. Look how this looking. Beautiful. Look at it. This is an English time. Beautiful. This is parsley. No, this one is celery right here. You see? That's celery. I leave this so I can know what it is. Or when I'm showing a video, I can show you guys the name of the tip. This is parsley. You see, I'm showing you right here, parsley. So all this, look, everything looking beautiful because of the care, because of the love I give to them. And this manual here, this is not dirt. This come from out of a tree plant, a rotten tree. I dig out the inside and I put it in the container and I set my seed. So I don't even use dirt to set my seed. I use that manual from out of the tree. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoying my videos. Please like, subscribe and share. Don't forget about the giveaway. Don't forget about the hot water challenge. Thank you guys for everything.